From a small company, ARG has grown to be a leading business in the oil industry by maximizing product and minimizing waste.
That sounds so cool. Let's dive deeper.
So American Refining Group was formerly a couple different refineries over the years. Back in 1881, it was started when the oil was first discovered in Pennsylvania. Oil used to flow down the creek. They brought it into a refinery, refining about 10 barrels of crude oil a day to 10,000 a day.
Our products are used for many, many different things. We have fuels, but that's actually not our focus. Our focus is on base oils, extracts, waxes, resins that all end up in different products. Our products are shipped as far as China and as close as right down the street.
In American Refining Group, we believe in a very team environment. We need a lot of different skill sets.
Quality control is ensuring that product is good when it's going to the customer. The other good part of quality control is it gives you a look at the entire refinery process because we're testing it and analyzing it the entire way through. We do often internally set the specifications tighter to ensure that when we have a final product that it is better than what the industry standard is expecting.
Part of my everyday job working in the lab is running standards and calibrations on instruments.
In the research world, 3/4 of what you do doesn't come to fruition, so you have to be resilient and take what you've learned from your previous failures and try and build on those.
American Refining Group has an internal fire brigade, hazmat, and confined space team. We do a lot of training on site, and with that we include the city, municipalities. We can all work and collaborate.
This company is the longest running refinery in North America. And it's only been that way by looking at fostering our young people through our programs at the high school level, college, job opportunities, job shadowing. We foster an environment where everybody's helping each other. It's much easier than just being one individual trying to solve every problem.
I think the coolest part is that every day is different. It could be you're working with different departments to come up with some sort of strategy, making sure that it's going to have a positive impact on the refinery. So there's always opportunity to learn, opportunity to grow.
The fact of the collaboration between all of the department. Most of the time it's not a single department that has to work on something. We all have to work together to communicate.
Packaging the products and then being able to go out to the store and see what we've packaged them on shelves.